friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another product from Cadbury Oreo for review. And guys, today in this video we are going to review the Cadbury Oreo Cadbury Dipped Oreo. So guys, this is the Cadbury Oreo Cadbury Dipped Oreo here that we are going to review today. So guys, let's start off with the review of the product. First of all, let's look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a nice cardboard box here. Right here we can see the Cadbury branding on top, the Oreo branding here, and it says Cadbury Dip. That's the name of the product. And we have similar branding all over the box right here as well, and even on this side and on this side and this side as well, on all the sides except for this side here. What we have here is again the Cadbury Oreo branding, Cadbury Dip, the name of the product. Here's the Nutritional Facts mentioned. These are coated sandwich biscuits, and here are the ingredients which they are mentioned. Now the net weight of this is 150 grams, and coming to the MRP of the Cadbury Oreo Cadbury Dipped biscuits is rupees 65. So this is costing rupees 65 for 150 grams. So guys, this is the new Cadbury Oreo Cadbury Dipped biscuits. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So yeah, we just open it from one side here. And let's see what do we have inside it. Inside this box we have 3 individual packs here, and we have 3 packs here, 3 individual packs here, which seems to contain 3 Oreo Cadbury Dipped Oreos in each of them. So in total you get around 9 Oreo Cadbury Dipped in it. So let's go ahead and unpack this and see how does it look. So guys, the moment of truth. This is the Cadbury Oreo Cadbury Dipped Oreo, and let's break it. So here it is. This is how it looks. So there is a layer of Cadbury chocolate on top of the Oreo. So Oreo biscuit is dipped into Cadbury, and here is what we get is the Cadbury Dipped Oreo. So guys, let's get down to the taste test of the Cadbury Dipped Oreo. This is an amazing combination. There's smooth Cadbury chocolate on top, and the crunchiness of the Oreo biscuit, chocolatey Oreo biscuit, and then sweetness of the vanilla creme within the biscuit. Amazing combination here. Overall taste wise, it's just amazing. I can't explain how good this is. So it has smooth chocolate, smooth Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate on it. Then there is a crunchiness of the Oreo biscuit, and then the sweetness of the vanilla cream just takes it to the next level. It's an amazing snack to have whenever you're having a sugar rush or you want to have something sweet. This is something you should definitely go try. If you like Oreos, this is something you should definitely try. So guys, if you are looking to buy the Oreo Cadbury Dip, I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from Amazon. And guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.